Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel. It's a small channel and it won't cost you anything. Thank you. Hi, hope you guys are doing well. So today I'll be showing you Tiny Nox sticks and snow file and what you can learn from it. You can obviously get other files like this and learn from them as well. So to get the files, first you can check the link in the description below. Once you open the link, you will be greeted by a page like this. You can actually get it for free by adding $0 over here, or you can, if you want to support the artist, you can actually leave in any amount you want. So then click on add to cart. After the next page opens, enter your email address and then accept the license agreement and click on get. Once you click on get, within a minute you will get an email and you can actually click on view content from the email to download the file from over here, this page. Once the file is downloaded, it's about 300 MB, so I don't think it should take that long. You can open the file. When you open the file, you will be greeted by a scene like this. So initially what you can learn from this is what if professional artists use settings for their camera and render settings, etc., for Instagram and stuff like that. Obviously for Instagram you would need a little more longer image for this. So as you can see, first we can see the material view and then the rendered view. What I'm going to teach you from this is that when you select the head of this mesh and then open the materials tab, and then you can select the hair material. From the hair material, this isn't Tiny Nox standard hair shader, this is particle hair shader, so you can use this hair shader in other purposes. And of course you can change the color. If we change this color like so, and you can see now the character is sort of blonde, let me just change this. It's sort of blonde. You can also make the character red haired if you want them to be red haired, etc. So this is the hair shader. The second thing what you can learn from this is that the cloth, stylized cloth material, and the technique used over here is the same as for the pants and for the shoes. What's happening over here is, if you look at over here, the material that I'm not going to get into all of this. I'm just going to go into this. So what's happening over here is that a base color is being used and a roughness and normal map is used. But the interesting thing is, if I want to change the material for this, if from this to any other color, what I have to do is just add in a color ramp, place it over here, and let's just say I want the color to be shades of maybe blue and sort of like this. It doesn't matter much, and I'll just plug in where this base color is. And you can see I can change the color, but the detail still remains. Why is the detail still remaining? The reason is that the roughness and normal map is still acting up. So the technique is pretty simple, that as long as you have the roughness and normal map of a type of cloth, or maybe the jeans, or maybe the leather, as long as you have it, as you can see the material is still pretty much the same for all of them. As long as you have the normal and roughness maps for them, you can just add in a color ramp to create the base color and replace the base color for them, so that you can basically create a stylized material for them. So obviously there are a lot more you can learn from this file as well. It uses the Tiny Nox eye shader light version. There's also a wool hair color texture shader as well. You can look at that if you want to. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel and watch another one of my videos, as that's how the YouTube algorithm works. It's a small channel and it won't cost you anything. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.